I'm Alan Kenny, Editorial Director with REIT.com, and we're at REITWorld 2015, NAREIT's annual convention for all things REIT. I'm joined by David Toti, Managing Director with BB&T Capital Markets. So, David, do you think that interest rates are going to continue to be such a dominant theme of conversation in 2016 for REITs?
Absolutely. I think interest rates will always be part of the conversation of an asset that is levered, in particular after a very long period of ultra low rates because of global liquidity forces. I think in the long run, our research has actually shown that interest rates are less impactful than GDP growth. So we're a bit more focused on the GDP side of the equation, but hands down expect that interest rates will be part of the discussion on REITs, valuations, cap rates, returns, et cetera, regardless of its relationship strength or not.
And the privatizations of REITs have also kind of dominated headlines this year. Is that going to be as much of a point of conversation next year too?
Absolutely. As long as there's a gap between public and private market pricing, and somebody's wrong and somebody's right, that will continue to be part of the conversation as well. Our belief is that the public markets are mispriced today, and that the REITs are trading with general discounts across the board. We expect privatizations to continue, M&A to continue, as long as that gap stays relatively wide. There's arbitrage opportunities in the space.
So then which sectors are going to be the most active in transactions?
Well, I think the days of easy acquisitions are sort of over, when cap rates or yields were relatively high, cost of capital was low. I expect going forward, overall acquisition activity in this space is going to diminish actually, except for the sectors where there's operating leverage, self-storage, selectively apartments, selectively healthcare, where having a bigger asset pool is meaningful in terms of the overall entity value and value creation and entity accretion. So, but in general, because of where asset pricing is today in the private markets, REIT acquisition activity in general should actually slow in the coming year.
Thank you so much for your time, David.
No, sure. Thank you.
For more information from REITworld 2015, visit REIT.com.